Hello, in this video, I'd like to show you how to find and install meee. First, we locate the Google Play Store, and this is for Android. Then we use the search box, type in meee, 3 E's. You see the app there. Click on the app and click install. Now, for some of you, it's the first time you download it, so there will be a button download instead. The process of installation will take approximately 1 minute. And at the end of the process, you will be able to click on the button open. Then in the next video, I will show you how to sign up for the app. Okay, here we open it and you see that screen, in touch without doing much. See you in the next video.